Hello friends, we have already discussed about sum number 1 to 19 of admission of a partner from NCERT. Now from question number 20, here you can see A and B are two partners. They are sharing their profit in 3:2 ratio. They admitted S as a new partner for 1/4 share. S brings 50,000 capital and rupees 10,000 for his 1/4 share of goodwill. So here understand the amount properly. 10,000 as is 1/4 share of goodwill. Don't write the 1/4 share of 10,000. Here already 10,000 is given, so goodwill is 10,000. Goodwill already appear in the book 5,000. तो ऑलरेडी गुडविल 5,000 अपीयर है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे ऑल पार्टनर में, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी अपीयर जो भी होगी गुडविल तो वो पहले ऑल पार्टनर उसके लिए जिम्मेदार होंगे, मतलब उनको शेयर मिलेगा. द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो इज गिवन 2:1:1. पास नेसेसरी जनरल एंट्री. तो जब ऐसा है तो पहले तो हमें जो ऑलरेडी बुक में गुडविल अपीयर है 5,000 उसको हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे ऑल पार्टनर में. एंड हियर न्यू रेशियो इज ऑल्सो गिवन, ओल्ड रेशियो एंड न्यू रेशियो. तो पहले तो हम कैलकुलेशन कर लेते हैं कि सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो का, बाद में हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं और जनरल एंट्री लिखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you know sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Here sacrifice of A is equal to old ratio 3/5 and B old ratio is 2/5 minus new ratio of A. New ratio of A is 2/4. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, so 2/4. New ratio is 2/4 and new ratio of B is 1/4. So minus 1/4. So cross multiplication for LCM. 4 3s are 12 minus 5 2s are 10 upon 5 4s are 20. So 12 minus 10, 2/20. Same way 4 2s are 8 minus 5 1s are 5 upon 5 4s are 20. So 8 minus 5, 3/20. So here sacrifice ratio of A is 2 and sacrifice ratio of B is 3. So sacrifice ratio is 2:3. Sacrifice ratio is 2:3. Now journal entry. So first of all journal entry for the distributing the all goodwill. So journal entry. So 5,000 already appear. So goodwill is appear 5,000. So goodwill account debit. Goodwill account debit to all partner means to S capital account to B's capital account. So already goodwill appear, it should be distributed in old ratio. So goodwill amount is 5,000 and old ratio is 3:2. So 3,000 and 2,000. Okay, so goodwill distributed among all partners. Now new partner bring 50,000 as capital and 10,000 as his share of goodwill. So journal entry. Cash account debit, cash or bank account debit to goodwill premium, so to goodwill account to S capital account. So goodwill 10,000 है और capital 50,000. So here goodwill 10,000, capital 50,000. So here total cash account 60,000. Now goodwill जो 10,000 है, तो here in narration you have to write new partner S bring goodwill in cash and capital. Now this goodwill should be distributed among all partners in sacrifice ratio. So goodwill account debit to S capital to B's capital. S capital to B's capital in sacrifice ratio. So goodwill account debit 10,000. You know sacrifice ratio 2:3. So 2 plus 3 5. 5 2s are 10. So 2 2s are 4,000 and 3 2s are 6,000. Goodwill account debit 10,000 to S capital 4,000 to B's capital 6,000. Goodwill distributed among all partners in sacrifice ratio. Now question number 22. Two partners are there, A and B. The ratio 3:2, and they admitted a C as a new partner as 1/4 share. New profit sharing ratio is given 2:1:1. C brought 50,000 for his capital. वो 50,000 कैपिटल आ रहा है. His share of goodwill was agreed 15,000 और उसके गुडविल का शेयर 15,000 एग्रीड हुआ. बट सी कुड ब्रिंग ओनली ₹10,000 आउट ऑफ हिज शेयर. उसके शेयर में से मतलब 15,000 में से वो सिर्फ 10,000 केस में ला रहा है. ओनली 10,000 आउट ऑफ हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल. रिकॉर्ड नेसेसरी जनरल एंट्री. तो पहले तो वेन एवर ओल्ड रेशियो एंड न्यू रेशियो इज गिवन, एट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू फाइंड सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो ओल्ड माइनस न्यू. So sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio of A is equal to 3/5. Old ratio of B is equal to 2/5 minus new ratio. So new ratio is given 2:1:1. So 2/4 and 1/4. 2/4 and 1/4. 4 3 are 12 minus 10. So 2/20. 4 to the 8 minus 5, so 3/20. So 2:3 is the sacrificing ratio. 2:3 sacrifice ratio. Here new partner brought 50,000 as capital and 15,000 goodwill, but only in 10,000 he is able to bring only 10,000. So first of all journal entry of this. So he is able only 10,000 bring 10,000. So how to write? So first of all goodwill account debit. Goodwill account debit. कितना वो goodwill ला रहा है? 10,000 only. Goodwill account debit 10,000. Then new partner is C. So C is capital account debit because 15,000 में से वो 10,000 ला रहा है तो 5,000 के लिए उसका अकाउंट डेबिट होगा. Goodwill account debit 10,000. C's capital account debit 5,000 to S capital account to B's capital account. To S capital account to B's capital account. In which ratio? Sacrifice ratio means 2:3. So 15,000 है, 15,000 का 2:3 में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो 15,000 into 2/5 and 15,000 into 3/5. So 2 plus 3 5. 5 3s are 15. So 2 3s are 6,000 and 3 3s are 9,000. So 6,000 and 9,000. And how to write journal entry for capital and goodwill? You know, that's why I haven't written here. I have written only the journal entry of goodwill. So goodwill account debit 10,000. Sales capital account debit 5,000. क्योंकि टोटल 15,000 था उसमें से वो 10,000 ही ला पा रहा है, 5,000 नहीं ला पा रहा है, इसलिए उसका अकाउंट डेबिट होगा. 10 + 5 15,000. फिर वो अमाउंट को हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो में. सो सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो 2:3. सो 6,000 and 9,000. So goodwill is distributed among partner. Goodwill distributed among partners in sacrifice ratio. Partner in sacrificing ratio. So this is the question number 22. Now question number 23. So here you can see two partners are there, A and S. two partners are there, one partner A and S, their profit sharing ratio is 3:1. They admitted K as a new partner, K, for 1/4 share. उसका शेयर है 1/4. K could not bring his share of goodwill in case. Means K goodwill वो केस में नहीं ला रहा है. तो here you can understand that we have to write this sum by revaluation method, not by a premium method. So here K could not bring his share of goodwill in case. If whenever any partner bring goodwill in case, at that time only we have utilized that premium method. But here in case it could not able to bring his share of goodwill in case, that's why we have to use revaluation method. So the goodwill of the firm was rupees 80,000 on case admission. Means this goodwill is given of the firm. So pass journal entry for goodwill on case admission. Here you can see the new ratio is not given, only old ratio is given and share of new partner is given. At that time no need to calculate sacrifice ratio, because whenever share is given and new profit sharing ratio is not given, then all ratio will be the same as a sacrifice ratio. So 3:1 is the sacrifice ratio. So here goodwill amount is 80,000, but share of K is 1/4. So 80,000 का 1/4, so 20,000 is goodwill. So 20,000 is goodwill. So goodwill account debit, goodwill account debit, journal entry for this to S capital account, goodwill account debit to S capital account to S capital account. When we write this, whenever he does not bring goodwill in case. So here in place of goodwill, what we write? Here we write the new partner share. So case capital account. Remember this, case capital account debit to S capital account, means new partners capital account debit to S capital account to S capital account. So case capital account, how much? 80,000 divided by 1/4, so 20,000. So here 20,000. So case capital account debit 20,000, and in sacrifice ratio is 3:1. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 5 are 20. So 3 5 are 15,000 here, and 1 5 are 5,000. 1 5 are 5, so 5,000. So case capital account debit 20,000. Here in place of goodwill we write the new partners capital account, because he is not able to bring goodwill in case. That's why new partner share should be distributed among all partners. So goodwill is distributed among all partners. So case capital 20,000 to S capital account 15,000 to B capital account 5,000. So goodwill distributed among the partner in sacrifice ratio. Narration in this way you have to write goodwill distributed among all partner in sacrifice ratio. So this is the question number 23. So question number 23, once again revise this and how to write. No need to find sacrifice ratio, because all ratio is given and share is given, new ratio is not given, that's why. Then question number 22. Question number 22. I haven't written question number 21 because it is on base of question number 20. If you understand question number 20, then you can easily write the question number 21. Same method you have to follow. So question number 20. So question number 21 is in homework. You have to write in your notebook question number 20, 22, 23, and question number 21 is in homework. Thank you.